Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I am going to replicate my quick draw worms for you guys. I didn't name it this. Some dude on the internet commented and said, "Oh man, he's got quick draw worms," and it just kind of stuck. So, but it is what it is really. It's quick draw worms. It's a tin that fits in the side pocket on the cargo pants. So it just slides down in the pocket on the side there, or in your back pocket, or you can put a really long lanyard on it and wear it around your neck if you want to. But really easy to make. I've got a couple handlines that I'm going to be using, and I just wanted to make a couple extra ones. I had this tin that had got dinged up, and it'd make a perfect one for what we're going to do. So, materials: you need a tin, a piece of bicycle inner tube to make some ranger bands, or some pretty large ranger bands, your choice of length of paracord, and I'm going to just keep the mantle, just the outsides are all I'm going to keep. And I want to have some little hemostats on there. Talk about that in a minute. You need some scissors, a lighter to melt the ends of your stuff, and an awl or a fid or something to poke holes with. First things first, we need to poke a hole in the bottom. Bam, there we go. I'm just going to leave little sharp bills on the inside. You can take a pair of pliers or whatever you may have. I happen to have some pliers out here. And just flatten that. Just squish it down. Makes it a little more friendly on your fingers. You get it. And some of you guys noticed I have a magnet in the top, and that's just a big rare earth magnet. Bastard, it's really strong. So, rare earth magnet. When we put our hole in the bottom, we then take our paracord. And I just tie an overhand knot, just a simple overhand knot right here towards the end. And all I want this for is to make sure that it can't, oh damn, I didn't get it big enough back. It doesn't pop out of my tin. That's all that we want this to accomplish. Then I'm going to cut this off. Bastard. Windy out here. Don't do me dirty, wind. Come on. Let me clean this up a little bit. Alright. Then you go from the inside out. And poke your, it's going to get caught on like the little burrs on the inside, but that's not a big deal. Just got to kind of poke it through there. I actually can make the hole a little bit bigger. And that will help some. There's a little, you'll get little strings caught on it. There we go. And this just helps, so when you put it in your pocket, you can just grab this and pull it out of your pocket. And like I said, these are for the side pocket on pants, like carpenter's pants. So once that's in there, go on the top and just put you some holes on there. Little ventilation for our worms. You can do any pattern or however you want for the holes. There's really no deal. They don't have to be very big. Probably don't even have to put holes in it. There's enough cracks in it. I would like to believe there would probably be decent airflow in it anyway. So just poke some holes in it. Again, I'm going to go back and peck these down with the hammer. I'm just going to put these right on the cast iron forge. Just make sure get there flat. So I just picked them down flat. Oh! Frig! Came apart of me. And if that happens, you can take these little tabs here and just push them in towards the inside of your tin. It'll help hold that top more better. All right. So at this point, you have quick draw worms done. You can just leave them like this and put them in your pocket. I like to straighten some of this up. I like to put a Ranger band on there. And if I can, I like to go that way. So when I pull it out of my pocket, it's not catching on anything. It's holding it closed. It doesn't matter. You can do it the other way. And as long as your pockets aren't like super tight, it'll hold pretty well. Either way, this way. This keeps it from popping open and spilling your wormies everywhere. But that's done. That's it. That's a quick draw worm thing right there. It's done. But what I want to do with mine is I'm going to open it up and I'm going to put my magnet in the top. And what this is going to do is if I have hooks and weights, or not the weights, they're, unless you get steel shot, but most of them are lead or pewter, whatever. They won't stick to this, but my hooks will. I could stick a rooster tail to that and it would stay stuck right there. But mainly hooks. And the other thing is, if I set it down, I can put stuff on top of it and it'll hold also. So when I put these on there, they will semi-hold themselves on. And on this guy, once I put this dude on, it's going to hold pretty well. And really that's it. It's not anything fancy. And any type of tin will work, round, whatever. This is just how I like to do them. And this is it. Now I just need to load it down with some worms and try to catch some fish. There it is. Quick draw worms. Alright guys, look, I appreciate the support. Feel free to like and subscribe, follow, check out our older stuff at Bushcraft Kelso on the Instagram, bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. And be watching now, because I got several fishing poles that I have done, and now I just need to get them in the water to try to catch some fish. And then I'll be giving those guys away. They'll be going to new homes. Again, quick draw worms. Here's the tools that you needed. Thanks again, guys. Later.